Well, Wanye, it is feeling quite cold out here. That wind chill of -2 is really whipping up, and it's making things quite chilly here. I just spoke with Forsyth County emergency officials, and they shared with me a little bit of good news. They did not see a lot of folks out on the roads, which means they did not see any crashes. That's great. We want to see that continue throughout the morning. Very few folks on the roads. That will minimize the risk of those accidents happening because of all the snow still on the roads. A couple of things they are worried about, though. Falls. They got a lot of calls about folks falling because of the ice and snow that has remained near their homes. That especially goes for your elderly population. So if you have a loved one who might be in that age range, check on them, give them a call, shoot them a text, make sure that they're doing okay. This is a time where everyone needs to come together and support one another. That goes for your friends and family. Just check in on them and make sure that they are doing well this morning, that no emergencies have happened overnight. We'll continue to bring you more. For now, live in Winston-Salem, I'm Kelly Kendall for WXII 12 News.